Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting the foundation. Create a new GarageBand project, pick a template, and set 44. 1 kHz if unsure. Connect your mic and confirm input levels. Aim for peaks around -6 dB to avoid clipping. Import stems or mobile recordings now and assign them to tracks. Once done, set tempo and key so loops and virtual instruments align. Make sure to name tracks clearly. It saves time when you edit and route effects later. You record multiple takes and comp the best phrases. Use punch-in recording to capture tight parts. Then edit with flex time to fix timing and the scissors tool for precise cuts. Apply smart controls to sculpt instrument tone. Add amp models for guitar or bass amp designer for low end. Once clips are solid, drag regions into an arrangement. Mark intro, verse, chorus, and bridge. Use automation to control volume and effects across transitions, so the song breathes. You finish by mixing. Set gain staging first, then balance panning and levels so each part sits in the mix. Send time-based effects to aux tracks, carve space with subtractive EQ, and glue buses with gentle compression. When satisfied, apply a mastering preset or limiter, then export as 24-bit WAV or 320 kbps MP3 for sharing. If you run into glitches, check buffer size, disable third-party plugins, and confirm sample rate match between tracks. That single fix resolves most export issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.